So old mate's got a Holden Colorado, or Isuzu D-Max if you wish, same car. He's asked me if I could remove these cigarette lighters for him, and because all the YouTube videos show him how to unclip it from the front here, and he's brung it over, and I said, mate, you can do it from the back, and you just, you know, this one twists. Now they can be really stubborn. I'll do this one first so I get more room. So just twist off. Some of them clip, but you know, easy peasy. Oh, this one's a little bit tricky with just one hand. Just be a sec. Yeah. So unscrew that part, falls out. That's all it is. Just unscrew from the back. Now the reason why I'm making this video is because old mate said that he's looked at a whole bunch of YouTube videos and he couldn't find a single one that explained to untwist it from the back and take him out that way. So that's why I'm making this. Right, thanks for watching guys. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.